Bitcoin last chance right here on the chart. So it's the last chance for the bears to take control of the market downward before we see that very aggressive move to the upside after the markets have to break this very level of resistance right here. This is very, very important to your trading and positioning in the market right now. So pay attention to this video and watch this video to the very end. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, I talked to you about this very falling wedge, and a falling wedge in an uptrend is a bullish continuation pattern. So what I am expecting from here is for the market to move upward. Without doubt, market is going to move to the upside, but it's a matter of when, and key levels have to break. We have to see a break of structure from this very market moving downward. We have retracement right here. We have impulse, create a new low, market retrace. We have impulse, create a new low, market retrace, and then right now market move to the downside. And at this very point, what I am expecting from the market is that by this weekend, as we enter next week, I am expecting a significant move from the bulls to the upside. And once we cross certain level, once we break structure, then the market is going to begin to move to the upside. So one most important thing to pay attention to is that for the fact that we've seen this very bullish candle breakout on this is not enough for you to take a buy or long position to the upside. You must have to allow a structure to break before you can take any position to the upside. And what I am expecting is this very level of resistance right here to break after this very falling wedge is invalidated. So from this very area, I am expecting the market to move upward from this very point. For market to go to the upside or move to the upside, we have to see the bulls move the market above this very structural formation. Once we see that very high above this very high right at this very point, the market is going to move to the upside. Nevertheless, if we did not see that, then that means market is still going to go back to the downside or remain static within this very zone of falling wedge. This is what you need to pay attention to right now because it's very important on the chart, as you can see right here. So expect the market to move upward, and before you should take a buy or long position, we must have to see the market break out of this very level of important resistance right here in the market on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. On the 4-hour chart right here, you see that the market is coming back gradually to the downside from this very level of important resistance. So from here, market come back down. I am not expecting any aggressive move from the BS to the downside. Nevertheless, market is going to go down a little bit, and then we're going to see that very move come upward. Before you can take a buy or long position on this very 4-hour chart, we must have to see the market break out of this very level of resistance. And the reason is because if you look at previous history, you see the market go down from this very area, market hit back down from this very area, and you discover that this very point is very, very strong. So we need to see the market break this very barrier, and then after this breakout of this very level of resistance, the market is going to move to the upside. That is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart. Market is going to go down very, very gradually on the 4-hour chart in this very formation, and then from here we're going to see the market move to the upside. After the breakout of this very level of resistance will be the best time for you to think of buying the market or longing the market on futures. And on the ETH chart, the same very important falling wedge in an uptrend, which is a bullish continuation pattern, is also on the chart. So don't be fooled with the BS moving the market up to this very point. This market is going to move to the upside. We're going to see the market break out very, very soon. And the most important level you need to pay attention to and watch is this very area of resistance as well. Once we see the market break out of the trend line, first of all, this resistance trend line right here, and then move upward and break out and create a new high higher than this very zone, then the market is going to pick up from here to the upside on ETH 1-day chart. This is very important because a falling wedge in an uptrend is a bullish continuation pattern, and this happen and obey in the market about 70% of the time. So since it obeyed the market 70% of the time, it is necessary that we pay attention to what the chart is telling us right now from this very chart pattern. So this is very important on the chart, as you can see. And on the 4-hour chart, you see that the market is gradually coming back to the downside as expected, and the market is going to come back to the upside because we can see that the market is gradually losing momentum. So there is no momentum coming back to the downside right now on the 4-hour chart. What that means is the bulls is going to take control of the market very, very soon. Like I said, this weekend and next week, I am expecting that the bulls have a significant control in the market. Okay, that is my expectation. So on the immediate short term, expect this market to come back down just a little bit, and then market is going to move upward. And before you can think of taking a buy position, we must have to see the market break out of this very level of important resistance right here. Market have to move from where it is right now and break this very level, giving us a new high that you can think of buying or longing the market to the upside on ETH/USDT 4-hour chart. This is what you must have to pay attention to and apply in your strategy. So this is very important, guys. Pay attention to this very area on the chart right now. The bulls are about to take control of the market, which is very, very significant. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, check the link in the description of this video and claim all the bonuses when you use the affiliate link down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.